Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'll be unboxing the Work T7R 18 by 9.5 plus 38 5 by 114 in GT silver for a customer. Just want to show the product and the details of the quality of the wheels. Alrighty, these are the wheels. The two box we got, but it's a set. You can see 18 by 9.5 colors GT as GT silver. 5 by 114 plus 38 offset. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. I already cut the box, so yeah. Alright, and here's the wheels. Instructions, how to take care and stuff like that. Works. Everything's in Japanese and English. Alright, so here is the wheel. Put it in like a blue plastic wrapping. And then the other wheel is at the bottom, right here. And then you get two of your valve stems right here, all taped up to the box. Alrighty, so we removed the blue wrapping around, and here is the wheel. You can see. These weigh about like 23 pounds for 18.5. The color as you're seeing right now is in GT silver. They have other color as in matte bronze, gunmetal, and white too as well. GT silver, I know like this one the customers got is additional more. Just to show you the quality of the wheels. This is the back of the wheel. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching the video. Feel free to give us a subscribe and like this video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and email us info@kenjigarage.com and we'll be happy to get back to you. Peace out.